Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about how to get ideas for your designs and for your, let's say, whatever you are going to offer in the Etsy shop. After creating your shop, you need to start preparing amazing designs to add to your store on the Etsy, and you need to create your own personal design and make a name for yourself. First thing that can be done is heading to tumblr.com, then search for the area where your store is active, for example wall arts. You will find lots and lots of designs. Now let's head to tumblr.com, and let's start by searching now after searching for the word Tumblr, let's write it correctly. tumblr.com. After this, we need to search for digital wall art. As you can see in this picture, Tumblr gives you ideas that can be redesigned in your own language, but most importantly, you guarantee a great deal of success through the number of notes for each of these designs. As you can see, this one has 5,000 note, this one have 2,000 note, 1,400 note, and etc, etc. As you can see, there is a lot of designs here. These images are shared by people interested in this field. The worst thing you can do is to provide content that doesn't have public acceptance or interest. You can also use Twitter to get ideas and redesign them by going to twitter.com for the same reason, but in another area such as quotes. Let's search for quotes if you have a Twitter account. Let's see. There is a problem with the username. Now, if you searched for quotes, you will find that there is a great deal of quotes here that you can take and republish on your own Etsy shop. No one notice your tears. I don't need someone perfect. You can take any of these. As you can see, this one, when someone is jealous, it just means they are afraid to lose you. This one got 672 like. Search for the ones or the quotes that are trending. You can search for arguments that have interaction on Twitter and convert them to all designs and sell them to your Etsy users or on your Etsy shop. This is a very straightforward. Now that you have equipment or equipped your store and set your destination, you can start in preparing designs for your new store. But to achieve good sales, you should share your designs to reach your target audience. More stores on Etsy rely on Instagram to market their business. You can also use Instagram to market your own business. You will also begin to create a new account for your store on Instagram with the name of your store. You will begin to follow the active accounts in your domain until you get noticed. Share your work with people. You will start sharing some of your designs on your account, but with poor quality and small printable size with link to your store. In describing each picture with the addition of hashtag related to your area so that you can get interactions. This will help you spread out the word about your store. Also, you will get the chance to get attached to the popular photos in your field on Instagram. Ask people to see and evaluate your designs, not buy them. Always ask people to evaluate what you offer. Don't directly ask them to buy what you offer. This gives them a feeling of control, a strong physiological motivation that will make them buy after they tell you what they think about your design. They follow what you offer and evaluate it from their personal point of view. This will make you appear to your target audience in no time. Always remember that your designs can achieve high sales. Selling 4,000 designs isn't a dream. Lots of stores already achieved that number. Just stick to high quality designs and continue to do so. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question regarding your Etsy shop, or if you faced any problem, please ask in the Q&A board and I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers Team.